These are the John Mummert Y block heads. The CNC race port heads that he makes up. I'll post a copy of his link where he shows all the computer imaging and everything. I'll go over these heads a little bit. This box right here should have the build sheet to go along with it too. But he has moved the spark plug location around, moved some of the ports around to improve the flow on them. There we go. There is a video I have when I had him sent to me before. I had him sent out bare. And I was going to try and do a couple things to him. But dollars to donuts, it wasn't really worth it. So I sent him back to Mummert and had him finish them up. So we'll unbox them and look at them together. Of course, I don't know my little razor blade is, so. Okay, that in this box. So here we go. So I'm a little closer to the camera. Got my daughter helping me be my cameraman so I can move these things around easier. You come check it out. Part of me is the Y block head, so cool. Is it stacked ports? And we'll spin them around. Comcam's beehive springs. I'll find the build sheet in the other box. If not, then I have one floating around here somewhere I'll try to find, and you guys get the idea of what's going on. See, they're all CNC ported. Got a 10mm spark plug holes. You got 151 exhaust valves, 197 intake valves. These are hollow stem intake valves, by the way. Real nice pieces. So I'll put that right here. Keep kind of looking at them. I'll see if I can't find the build sheet in the other box. Now I don't have the build sheet in order. Let's see if I can't spot the other one real quick. Here they are. Here's one, so you got specs on them. 151 diameter exhaust valve, 92 grams. 197 hollow stem intake valve, 106 grams. The intake cut to 4 angle valve job with a 38 top cut, 47 degree valve seat, 61 degree third angle, and a 78 degree fourth angle. 120 to 135 foot pounds seat pressure. They're set up right now. We're at about 600 thousandths lift is what we'll I'll go with. We'll do a custom cut cam. I have a Clay Smith cam for the way it was originally going to be built, but thanks Snowball. You guys know how that goes. But we'll get another look at these heads real quick, and then we'll put them on the floor bench. I'll get some spark plugs and everything. Then we'll CC the chambers too. Yeah, so we'll put them on the floor bench. Maybe I'll get spark plug. I'll flow them when it's really cold. Then when it warms up, see what the difference is. And then here's the intake manifold we'll use. Another one of John Mummert's pieces. There's a video on this also. I'm not sure if Mummert has a video on making them or not. But we'll use this also. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.